So I'm back with one more sentence correction question. It's a tentator. So here we go. For some birds, the sense of smell appears to play a role in navigation, since pigeons with surgically removed olfactory nerves were found to have increased difficulties in homings. All right. So as it's sense, and when we talk about since, it's mean action from past to present. So after since, we always use present perfect, not simple past, or simple past plus present perfect. So here, A, out, C, out, D, out. Now let with B and E have been found to have increased difficulty, all right, have been found to have increasing. After have, always verb participle, past participle is used, so it should be increased rather than increasing. So E out, B is best choice.